So the Big Bang model says that things that are furthest away from us are moving away from us more quickly than things closer to us. So the more distant the object, the higher the redshift. There are certain objects called quasars, or quasi-stellar objects, that have enormous redshifts. So by the standard redshift interpretation, they're supposed to be at the very edge of the visible universe.
To appear so bright at such enormous distances, they're speculated to be superluminous black holes with 1 million or 100 million times more mass than our Sun, surrounded by a disk of material. Some of the material falls into the black hole, causing the emission of huge amounts of energy.
Yeah, a team of astronomers and astrophysicists published the discovery of a new quasar in the Astrophysical Journal. This quasar is embedded in galaxy NGC 7319, very close to its center. You can see a picture of it here. The black arrow is pointing to the quasar.
According to the Hubble law, the galaxy NGC 7319, with a redshift of 0.022, is about 360 million light years from Earth. But since the quasar has 100 times the galaxy's redshift, it must be receding about 100 times faster and be 30 times farther away. If this was true, these objects could not be physically connected to each other.
And that's exactly what Big Bang theorists first said, that the objects merely look to be close because the quasar happens to be in the same line of sight as the galaxy, although it's billions of light years behind. However, the newly discovered quasar is interacting with the gaseous material in its host galaxy. There's a strong outflow of gas detected, suggesting that the quasar is actually being ejected from the galaxy and it's carrying along some of the material near it. So the quasar really is in that galaxy.
Big Bang theorists strongly reject the interpretation that this quasar is connected to the galaxy, even although it is based on observation, because it utterly demolishes a key assumption of how matter was first formed in the Big Bang. So there's another massive problem for the Big Bang.